Good morning, children. Now, today we are going to study about the coordinate geometry, and all of you are know that about the coordinate geometry. In previous classes, you have already studied some parts of the coordinate geometry, and you know that what are the planes, what are the position of point in both planes. It is the two-dimensional representation of a plane in which point P is referred with respect to two perpendicular axes or lines intersecting to each other at a point O, that is called the origin. Clear what I am telling you? It is the two-dimensional representation of a plane in which two lines, two-dimensional representation of a plane in which two lines are intersecting to each other at a point O, that is called the origin. With respect to the point O, that is called the origin, and it divides, and when these two lines are intersecting to each other, it these two lines creates the four quadrants with various points. That is, if these are the x dash and y dash are two lines, and these lines are intersecting to each other at the point O, that is called the origin. Then this is called xy plane. This is called xy plane, and all points are positive in this plane. And this is also called the first quadrant. This is called the xy plane, and all points where two points are intersecting each other at xy plane, those points will be positive. Both points will be always positive. So this is also called the plus plus plane or xy plane or first quadrant. Clear? Now, if the two points are intersecting to each other at this plane, that is called x dash y plane. It is also known as x dash y plane. So, in this situation, one point will be negative and one will be positive. That means the x will be always negative and y will be positive. Clear? So it is negative and positive plane. So points will be x. The points of the point of the x will be negative and point of y will be positive. It is also known as second quadrant, and it is called the third quadrant, and the name of this plane is x dash y dash plane, and all points are negative in this plane. So this is third quadrant, and it is the fourth quadrant, and in this quadrant x is positive and y is negative, so it is called x y dash plane. X y dash plane. So it is known as x y dash plane. The value of x is always positive and the value of y will negative, and this is called the fourth quadrant. So now in this position we are going to study if this is the quadrant x y dash, x y x dash and y dash, and this is the origin. And if it is a point that is called the pxy, then what is the distance of xy from the center? We are going to find the distance between the 2 points. If this is the two-dimensional representation of a plane, I am not asking about the three-dimensional. It is the two-dimensional representation of a plane. So just if there is a point P in the plane, in this plane, that is xy plane, then what will be the distance of the point P from the center? Or somewhere else, if any point is also situated, suppose that it is a Q, then what is the distance of between P and Q? Or what is the distance between P and Q from the origin? So all these things will be discussed in this section. Now let's see. I am writing the formula for the distance formula for a 2 point. And always remember these points, what I am going to telling you. It must be remembered because these are some standard results which will be used, which will be uniquely used in your questions. So let's see. Now I'm talking about the distance formula. How you will find the distance from between 2 points. Let x dash y, and this is y dash, and it is origin I have already told you that. And if this is the point Q and this is the point P x y, and this is x2 y. So you want to find what is the distance between and this is x1 so x2 y2 and so the distance between any two points px1 y1 x2 y2 in a plane is the length of line segment PQ to find this length we draw PL perpendicular PL and QM perpendicular at x axis from P and Q. So let's see, these are the points Px, y and Q, x2, y2. If we want to find the distance between PQ, there is QM and PL. So now let's see. So we have OM is equal to x2, ON is equal to x1, QM is equal to y2, and PL is equal to y1. Now QR is equal to ML is equal to OL minus OM. QR is equal to ML. Just we draw Q to R. Now is equal to OM minus OM. OL minus OM is equal to ML. ML is equal to, this we subtract from OM to OM to find the ML, and this ML is equal to QR. So this implies that x1 minus x2 and same situation with PR is equal to PL minus RL. PL is equal to PR minus RL. This implies that is equal to PL minus QM is equal to, this implies that Y1 minus Y2. So triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle because PL is a perpendicular on x-axis. So PQR is a right angle triangle. Now from right angle triangle, PQ square is equal to QR square plus PR square. This implies that x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Therefore PQ square. This is the formula, distance formula. This is the distance formula. You can also write this in this way. This implies that P q is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is the distance formula. To find the distance between two points which are situated in any positive plane or negative plane, if the points are situated in a negative plane, then there will be a difference in their signs, but not in the formula. So for any plane, to find the distance between two points, this is the standard formula. So keep in your mind, whenever you want to find the distance between two points in a plane, just you have to use this formula. Now there is a one condition. If there is a condition, if condition, that is start the node. After this formula, there is a node. The that is start the 0 0 x square plus y square. This is the special condition. If you want to find the distance between two points, that is from between the origin to another point, origin to any point. So the distance will be this. You will use the formula to calculate the find section formula. Another special condition for the to find the distance, that is called the section formula. Section formula. Here B A x1 y1 x2 y2 in R. Now AB